In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to prep your nails and apply the lluillui nail stickers in just a few easy steps. Let's start off by making sure your nails are completely clean and dry. You want to get rid of all the dirt and oils on your nails for a longer lasting application. The inside of the nail sticker is for the cuticle, and the outside of the nail sticker is where you tear it off. Before applying the nail stickers, make sure to choose the appropriate size for your nails. You want to choose a size slightly smaller than the width of your nail bed to avoid any lifting of the sticker. After you've done that, gently tear off the clear protective layer along with the nail sticker. Avoid touching the end that will be applied to your nail to keep the adhesive strong. Also, make sure not to stretch or take off and reapply the nail sticker. Apply the nail sticker starting from your cuticle and press down on the center, then towards the sides of your nail for the sticker to adhere properly. Make sure not to get too close to your cuticle. Then file the excess of the nail sticker downward. File in one direction to avoid tearing of the sticker. Remember to wait about 2 hours before allowing your hands to get in contact with water. Now that you've given your nails a stylish manicure, they're ready to be shown off.